Hi, and welcome to the LB0 Fox India YouTube channel. I'm Morton, LB0 Fox India, and today I'm at Park Lima Alpha 0176, I think. If not, I'll correct it somewhere on the screen here. Doing a little bit of Parks on the Air activation here. Needed to get out, got a day off work. So testing another antenna today. That's kind of my thing lately, testing different antennas for Parks on the Air. And as last week, I'm in a valley, a little bit different kind of valley here, not as narrow, but still a valley, pretty high hills all around, so I'm a little bit excited on how this goes. Today's antenna is 921 unun from eBay, running up the DX Commander 10 meter classic pole here, and over in that direction as somewhat of an inverted L configuration. Not by any means ideal, but let's see if it works. In addition to that, I got a radial net here of 8 5-meter radials consisting of soda beams wire. I'm not really sure if this setup will work, but let's give it a go. It's also a little bit chilly today, so I'll be activating from a mobile shack. This Citroen C0, it's a Japanese K car. It's also known as the Mitsubishi Imiev. And what a K car is, it's just a really small, underpowered Japanese car, maximum 4 seats. Not going to go into detail on that. That's a topic for a whole different kind of YouTube channel and a whole different kind of nerdiness than this. But this will be today's shack. Today's radio will be the X6100 as usual, running 10 watts here into the random wire antenna. So we'll do as usual. I'll show you the surroundings and I'll call CQs and we'll see what happens. Maybe I'll get this park activated, maybe I won't. This has been one of the parks that's been kind of my nemesis. I've tried this several times, but only done a couple of successful activations here. So let's go. Let's call some CQs and I'll see you guys later. CQ Parks on the Air, CQ Parks on the Air, CQ Parks on the Air. This is Lima Bravo 0 Foxtrot India. Lima Bravo 0 Foxtrot India. Calling CQ Parks on the Air. Calling CQ Parks on the Air. Calling CQ Parks on the Air. This is Lima Bravo 0 Foxtrot India. Calling CQ Parks on the Air. Park Lima Alpha 0876. This is Lima Bravo 0 Foxtrot India. Calling CQ Parks on the Air. Papa Delta 3 Radio Lima. Good afternoon, Alex. Sorry, not, yeah, Alex. Good afternoon, Alex. 5 and 7, 57 here today, over.
Well, your signal is not that great. It's, 3 by 3, Morton.
3 by 3. Thank you for the 3 by 3. At least it's a QSO. Thank you for hunting there, Alex. 7-3. Bye-bye. QRZ Parks on the Air. This is Lima Bravo 0 Fox India. Charlie United 3 Hotel Yankee Azores. Amazing, Mike. Amazing. 5 and 5. 55 today. Over. QSL, thank you for the 4 and 1. Thank you for the 4 and 1. You're running QRP with a random wire antenna, so 4 and 1 is great. Thank you for hunting. 7-3. QRZ Parks on the Air. This is Lima Bravo 0 Foxtrot India. Calling CQ Parks on the Air. Calling CQ Parks on the Air. Golf 0 Victor Whiskey Papa. QSL. Roger, Golf 0, Victor Whiskey Papa. Thank you for the 4 by 4. You are 5 and 9, QSL.
Roger, the 5 and 9, 7-3. Thank you for the pass. Bye-bye.
Thank you, and thank you for hunting. 7-3, QRZ Parks on the Air. This is Lima Bravo 0 Fox India. Just one moment. Italy 4 Radio Hotel Papa, QSL. Italy 4 Radio Hotel Papa. You're 4 by 2, 42, QSL, you're 5x5, 55, 55 here. Thank you for the 4x2 in Italy, 7-3.
Papa Delta 4, Uniform Sierra. Roger, QSL. Thank you very much for the activity, for the back. 73, bye-bye, ciao.
7-3, bye-bye. And I heard a Papa Delta station. Coming in, please.
Okay, Papa Delta 4, Uniform Sierra. Papa Delta 4, Uniform Sierra, QSL.
Papa Delta 4, Uniform Sierra, 5 and 7, 57 here in Norway, QSL.
QSL on the 57. 57, my report, you're 5 and 4. Italy 4 Radio Hotel Papa. Italy 4 Radio Hotel Papa.
Italy 4 Radio Hotel Papa, I've already done you. Papa Delta 4 station, Papa Delta 4 Uniform Sierra, 5 and 7, 5 and 7. Did you get that over?
Yeah, QSL on the 5 and 7, Morton. You're 5 and 4, 54, 5, 4, QSL.
QSL, thank you for the 5 and 4, and thank you for hunting, 7-3.
7-3, thank you, bye-bye.
QRZ Parks on the air, this is Lima Bravo 0 Fox India. Echo Alpha 4 Tango Lima 5 and 7 57 here today. QSL Luis.
Thank you for 57. It is 5x5, 5x5 stay. Echo Alpha 4 Tango Lima. Thank you for contact for POTA Passwords Norway 73.
73, thank you. QRZ Parks on the air. This is Lima Bravo 0 Fox India. 2 Echo 0 station, coming in, please. 2 Echo 0 Lima Alpha Romeo. Thank you for the 5 and 7. You're at 5 and 5, 55 here today, Andy. QSL. Thank you, 7-3. QRZ Parks on the air. This is Lima Bravo 0 Fox India. Papa Alpha 2 Charlie Victor Delta 5 and 8 today. QSL. 5x5. Thank you for the 5x5. 7-3. Thank you for hunting.
Thank you.
QRZ Parks on the air. This is Lima Bravo 0 Fox India. Sierra Papa 8 Quebec Charlie. Good afternoon, Andy. You're about a 4 and 4, 44 today. Over. 73, and thank you for hunting. QRZ Parks on the air. This is Lima Bravo 0 Fox India. So I got the park activated, but barely. And to be honest, the random wire antenna did not perform. I didn't expect it to perform well, but it didn't perform well at all. My signal reports on my 11 contacts were generally bad. I heard them worse, and just didn't work out. Got 11 QSOs though on 20 meters, but I don't think I'll bring this antenna to another activation unless I have to. It really just didn't perform that well. So that's my thought on that antenna. Anyway, I still made the activation though with 11 QSOs. Not a great activation, but could be worse. So thank you for watching. Please do like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want to support the channel, there are ways down below. Either if you want to buy me a coffee or you want to support my channel on Patreon. I'd really appreciate that if you want to do that. And thank you for watching once again. Until next time, 7-3.